So all the kids, they've been wanting me to join this TikTok. Oh, you kind of just groovy and dance around, do this fun stuff. You know, Nonnina can be pretty hip. I'll do anything as long as it doesn't break my hip. So I saw this thing where they're making Sprite pies. I was like, Nonnina wants to get into this action. So I'm going to do 2 pies today. I'm going to do the Sprite pie, which all the kids are doing on TikTok. But I'm also going to do an Italian pink lemonade. You're not going to find that on TikTok, well, until Nonnina gets on there. So let's go over the ingredients. So to make the Sprite pie, we need to have a gluten-free pre-made crust. We need 1.5 cups of Sprite. We need 4 tablespoons of the gluten-free flour, 1 cup of sugar, 5 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. For the sparkling pink lemonade Italian pie, we need another pie crust gluten-free. We need 1.5 cups of the sparkling pink lemonade. We need 4 tablespoons of the gluten-free flour, 1 cup of sugar, 5 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of the lemon juice, and let's begin. So these kids today, they think they're so trendy and that everything they do is unoriginal. But this actually goes back to the water pie from the Great Depression by people like my Nonnina, your grandmother, and they couldn't get their hands on the egg and the milk, but they wanted to make a pie for their kids. So this is what they did. And so that's why I wanted to try it out. And I'm going to do the Sprite pie like the kids today are doing. But it's not that original. But what is original is my new Italian pink lemonade pie. This I've never even tried before. We're going to try it together. So we'll start with the Sprite pie. So we're going to take our Sprite. Go nice and slow. You don't want to get sprayed. Perfect. It's not that kind of party. We're going to do 1.5 cups. That's a nice. And we're going to pour it right into the pie. And then we'll take our sugar. And we'll do 1 tablespoon at a time. And just spreading it all out. Woo! I can hear the fizzle. And we'll put it all in there. These kids today. You know, Nonnina can have fun too. How do you think this is going to taste? We're going to taste test them. And then the flour, same thing. Spread it all out, nice and gentle. You know, Nonnina makes everything gluten-free. But if you don't want to make it gluten-free, you didn't have to use the gluten-free flour or the pie crust. Perfect. And then the vanilla extract. 2 teaspoons. And same thing, just dribble it all over. Woo! A little extra vanilla for this one. I think that's a good. And then we'll grate our butter. It's going to be a vanilla Sprite. And you just grate it right on top. And all around. And this is how they used to do the water pies. We're so lucky we didn't have to live through that. We'll really find out soon how lucky. Perfect. And this pie is ready for the oven. And we'll get this one going. And now we can make Nonnina's special Italian pink lemonade pie. And what we need need is 1.5 cups of the Italian pink lemonade. And I can't even open it. Oh, there we go. So just pour it right into the pie, just like the Sprite. Ooh, I like the sparkly stuff. Perfect. We'll pour it in. Oh, I can hear the fizzle. That's a nice. And so we'll take our sugar and we'll take a tablespoon and we'll drizzle it all in. Oh, that's a nice. It's kind of like pop candy. My kids like that. I wonder if they're gonna like this pie. We'll be taste testing it. You fall in love with Nonnina's special pie, and you can really impress your kids. Step it up from the Sprite pie. Almost all in there. One more scoop. Perfect. And then the flour, the same way. Just dribble it all in. Spread it all around. And 2 teaspoons of the lemon juice. Oh, I gave it a little squirt extra. Oh, making a mess. Perfect. And then we'll take the butter and we'll grate it right on top, just like the other pie. And this is what they used to do in the old days. If the kids only knew, they wouldn't think they're so cool anymore. And the last piece. Can't wait to find out how it tastes. So one of the stuffs these kids don't know today is you're going to put tin foil over the top of your pie so you don't burn the crust. So what I did is I have a piece, put it right on top, fold it around the pie. That's nice. Just like that. And then I'll take a knife and I'll make an X. And then I'll fold back the pieces and wrap it all around. So I finished doing the Sprite pie, and now I'll do this Nonnina special Italian pink lemonade pie. So we'll cover it with a tin foil and we'll wrap around. That's nice. And we'll take a knife and we'll make an X. Oh, I make a little mess. But it's okay. And then I peel it back and fold it over. Oh, that's nice. So the pies are all ready for the oven. And we'll put it in at 400 for 30 minutes. And then we'll take them out and we'll lower the heat to 375 and put them back in for another 30 minutes. And when they're all done, we'll let them chill overnight in the fridge. And I'll meet you back here to taste test them. I'll be back. So we let the pies cool overnight. And they look delicious. So now I'm going to try them, and I'll let you know what I think. So I got a slice of the Sprite pie, and a slice of Nonnina's special sparkling pink lemonade pie. They got the consistency of a lemon meringue pie. Let's see how they taste. Here's the Sprite pie first. can't wait. Wow! It tastes like a sugar cookie! Ooh, Nonnina loves sugar cookies! That's so good, I can't believe it! Now it's for my special pie! Ooh, I don't want to talk with my mouth full! I want to shove more of that pie in my mouth! Oh, it's so lemony, it's so delicious! Wow, both pies were fantastic! I think my pie is a little better. I definitely recommend trying both. I don't think you'll be disappointed. The kids are gonna love it too. I appreciate you joining my show today. Don't forget to share me with all your friends. If you want to leave me any positive comments, I would love to respond. Please give me that big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And if you want more videos of Nonnina in your feed, ding the little bell.